Hi everybody, this is Therese. Hope everybody's having a great day today. Well, this is it. I'm in the middle of watching The Voice right now during commercial break. And, you know, if I were to be one of the finalists on The Voice, I'm just going to base off a look based on the t-shirt that I'm wearing, this olive green t-shirt. So this is my eye look that I would definitely wear. So let's get started. I'm gonna do a tutorial on the, if anything, the eye makeup look, if anything at least. I don't want to be bam in your face if I'm on TV because the camera will be right in my face and stuff like that, and maybe closer than it is right now. So okay, let's get started. I forgot the name of the YouTuber who taught this, like did a makeup tutorial on if you can use any eyeshadow palette, what she would do if with any eyeshadow palette. So I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna use this the ColourPop's The Mandalorian palette, and she said use a matte like not like crease color or something like that. So I'm gonna go for Navarro sand. I'm gonna use this this round shader brush. I'm gonna put it on the Navarro sand on my crease. By the way, I what you call it? I did put my favorite uh Painterly Paint Pot as uh my eyeshadow primer. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna switch. Oops. I'm gonna switch off this head. Try not to lose it. Okay, I'm gonna, so the next thing she said is pick a dark color um, on the outer crease, just dot it. So I'm gonna use, this is the way it goes. I felt that it goes, it looks like olive green in person. So I'm gonna use it on the outer uh, crease, I mean the outer corner. I'm just gonna dot it like this. Okay, I'll do the best I can not to be super sloppy. Okay. I'm just gonna work on the top lid first. Okay. I gift them again. uh, oh. If I'm late for the next performance, oh well. I do not care. Okay. So I forgot one more thing. You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna use this crease brush. I don't care. So what I forgot to do with it, I'm gonna take the Navarro sand, but this time I'm gonna use this brush. Okay, back to this rounded brush right over here. Navarro sand. I forgot to line my eyes with the my lower lids. Damn. The show's back on you right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Okay, so I'm gonna go Move. Okay. So I'm gonna dip the This Is the Way. I'll take this one again, and then I'm just gonna go like halfway. Oh boy. Oh my God. Okay. It's a quick and easy look. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. It's a quick and easy look. And then I'm gonna take my I'll take my my ring finger. I'm gonna put Imperial Credit, yeah, on my lid. Just pat on my lid like this. She said take a shimmer. This lady said take a shimmery shadow. Just put on the lid. She used her ring finger. Okay, yeah, looks not like the other one. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this crease brush right here so I can blend the shadow up here. Blend that Navarro sand. Okay. And then, so one more last thing with the eye makeup look, if anything, at least. I'm going to wrap it up pretty soon. I'm going to do, I feel like doing Biscore Steel. I'm going to put it, I'm just going to use my pinky finger, stamp it. My pinky finger, and just stamp it like this. Okay, oh, thank God. Yay. Okay. I decided not to go, I would wear false lashes. If not, just wear my favorite. Better be a waterproof mascara because I might cry or whatever if I was in the finale right now as a contestant. I like It Cosmetics has their waterproof version of the, I forgot what it's called. It's It Cosmetics has this mascara. I just blanked out. If not, I can wear the Maybelline Sky High mascara waterproof version. Put in my lashes. I'm not too much of a false lash kind of girl. I'm sure that the makeup artist on the show will probably put false lashes on me or whatever. Um, you know, if they don't want to put mascara or the anything else. What else? I would do bronzer to contour my face and get rid of this. Anything else? Oh, I might as well do one more thing. Let's see. Oh, darn it. You know what? I forgot. I'm not sure what kind of blush I would go for. I forgot my blush brush. Darn it. Let's see. Screw it. I'm just gonna use my middle finger. I feel like wearing Nippy's Pink Rose from the Whitney Houston collection by MAC Cosmetics. I would probably use my, just screw it. I was just gonna put it like around my cheekbone area, apple of the cheekbone area. Screw it. Highlight? I'm not sure if I would do that one. Something not to like bam, a bam blinding bright highlight. It's not a really good look for me. Okay, looks good. And what else do I do? One more thing, lips wise, I'm gonna take a chance on this one. So what I would do, I would take Vino lip pencil. I don't know who's on TV right now. I think Maroon 5's gonna be there. The only original coach that's not there is Christina Aguilera. Uh, it'll be nice if she made it, but we'll see. Show's not over yet, but you know. I don't have a lip brush, so it's okay. And then I'm gonna go for again Max from the Whitney Houston Club Nippy's Rose lipstick. So I'm gonna go like this. If I had a lip brush, I would have blended the lip pencil first before putting the Nippy's Rose lipstick. And then I'm gonna put Nippy's Shimmery Cinnamon lip gloss, excuse me, on top of it. Not too neutral, but a little color. Try not to compete with the eye makeup. Anything else? No, that's about it. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is. Peace out, bye, and good night.